Sir, welcome to my show. Please tell our audience what is terrace gardening.
See, terrace gardening is not a new thing because in the olden days they used to grow it in the kitchen, behind the kitchen, and it was called as kitchen gardening. Any vegetables grown and used for the kitchen is a kitchen garden. But because of the Bangalore's growth and other things, it has enlarged so much there is no space for any plants today at the back of the kitchen or anywhere in the house. If it's a 40 by 60, they'll build the house 40 by 60. And where to grow the vegetables? And that's why the kitchen garden has been shifted to terrace, and that's why it's called as terrace gardening.
Sir, please tell us what are the advantages of terrace gardening.
There are several advantages. One, because of the temperatures is going up, by growing the terrace garden, you can cool down the terrace and the house gets cooled without the use of any air conditioners. And there is no energy wasted on that. Entire sun's energy is being used to grow vegetables. That's one advantage. The other advantage, you get non-poisonous food not only for you but for your children also, because the vegetables which are available in the market are the ones which are contaminated anywhere between 4 to 6 pesticides. Even though the dosage is small, the accumulation of it causes problems later in the age. Now I think as you know that the more number of nursing homes have come, hospitals have come, and the problem has started by about 30 years, leave out the kids, but the accumulation of the poison. And here there is a wonderful example in a book called as Silent Spring by Rachel Carson. If you read that, how the accumulation of the poison takes place in the fat bodies, how it affects the human body in a later stage. It takes about 20 to 25 years for us to see the symptoms of the body, but no one correlates with that of the pesticide. I think now you know the example of Kasargod, wherein the endosulfan poisoning has depleted the children to undesirable facts like no legs, no hands, and hydrocephalus, that's the grown like aliens. And these are the symptoms which come when there is a continuous accumulation of the pesticide which has happened. And there's a very good example for the entire, not only to the country, for the entire world, to see that we go away or move away from pesticides.
Sir, what are the vegetables that we can grow on the terrace?
The other way we're putting it is, what are the vegetables which cannot be grown?
Fantastic.
See, every vegetable can be grown on the terrace. The creeper vegetables, the greens, the bush vegetables, and including the tree vegetables like drumstick and lime.
Okay.
And all these can be grown. And the fruits also like banana, pomegranate, and you name it, except for mango we don't advise. Other than that, every fruit crop and every vegetable can be grown on the terrace.
How many kgs of vegetables can we grow on the terrace? For example, considering the fact that we have an average family of 4 and a terrace size of 1200 square feet or a plot size of 1200 square feet, how many kgs of vegetable can we grow in a week's time?
It's a little tricky question because 1200 square feet is the one what is available, which is a minimum of 30-40 site. But as I told you, that entire 30-40 site is built up. So we have calculated based on 1 square meter, that 1 square meter can grow between 25 to 50 kgs per year.
Sir, if I'm building a home, what are the things that I need to emphasize on the terrace gardening side?
See, if they follow the instructions in the engineering book, civil engineering book, that's enough. Proper proportion of cement, sand and jelly, and also the iron rods, whatever the distance. If that is done weight-wise, it is pakka.
Okay.
And to further emphasize the waterproofing, a pakka waterproofing is a must for any terrace gardening.
Sir, what about the maintenance? Is it expensive or is it time consuming to maintain the terrace garden?
No, it's all, see, here I can give a very typical example. That is, you take your car, go to Lalbagh, Kabban Park, polluting the entire road with carbon dioxide, go for a walk to take oxygen, and again pollute back, coming home. Why you go all the distance? Because of the oxygen,
Absolutely.
isn't it?
Correct.
The same terrace garden, if you maintain, about 2 hours you waste.
Correct.
This needs only 1 hour after establishing it. 1 hour daily is more than enough. for, and you can do your yoga, your exercise, everything taking fresh oxygen.
Correct.
And this also leads, I think the tendency has led to oxygen clinics in the city,
Right.
wherein you go into the lab, put a mask and breathe oxygen for about half an hour, 1 hour, pay 100, 200 rupees and come back.
Right.
But this is much better, a natural oxygen, and wherein you can do your yoga, exercise, everything in addition to tending the plants. So where is the time wasted in that?
Right. Arunji, please tell us what are the materials that can be used for terrace gardening and how to implement it.
There are the 4 components. This is a red soil, it's a compost, it's a coir pit, and it is a vermicompost. Vermicompost you can prepare as your own also. So, but these are available in the market itself only.
Is it necessary that to use such a pot, or can we use cement bags or broken buckets?
As a startup, we are using the pots, and it is very easily available, as well as it is degradable also.
Okay.
So we can use plastic buckets, waste gunny bags,
Okay.
using the same proportions.
All right.
I will show you how to prepare a pot in a proper manner. So this is a 12 by 12 inch pot,
Okay.
and this is a broken pot pieces. So we are using soil, compost, coir pit and vermicompost in a proportion of 1:1:1.
Okay.
So we'll take, this is the one, this is one, this is one portion, and this is one portion.
Okay.
So we have to mix it up in a proper manner. And so we can use, instead of the square pit, sand also. This is a very light weighted, as well as it helps in the drainages. So before putting into the pot, okay, there is a hole. This is for drainage. If hole is not there, the plant will die very easily. So we are using to proper drainage the broken pot pieces,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
So like this, and it should be kept very properly, because so while we pour the water, so water only water should go outside, not the soil or not the nutrition. So that's the most important concept.
Okay. So basically, you placed broken pots.
Pots exact to the hole.
Here. Okay.
See, I took 1:1:1. This is not sufficient for the pot. Okay. This is the fill pot. You can up to here also you can fill the soil. To check whether it is properly prepared or not, we have to pour some amount of water. So look at the hole, whether water is coming out. Yeah. Yes. So it's coming. The only water is coming out. So it means that we have prepared a proper preparation of the pot. This we call it a pot tray. So where we are using this to prepare a nursery for vegetable crops. So you can see there are hundreds of cups like that, and backside there is a holes for drainage, water drainage, and we use the coir pit for filling this pot tray. The reason using the coir pit is it's a lightweighted, and we can pluck after proper growing of the nursery plant. So after preparing, put some amount of water. So there are small seeds, tomato seeds. Just make a small gap. Put 2 seeds for each. So likewise, you can fill up all the holes over here. Put little amount of water. So it is ready. After sowing the seeds, so the plant will come after 4 weeks, like this, up to 3 to 4 inches height. So this is ready for replanting for the any pot. Here in the center, you just make it as a like hole. You just pluck the one plant, it will come like this. So we can put carefully without affecting the plant roots as well as the main bud. So now it is ready.
Sir, what is the cost of implementation of terrace gardening at a smaller house?
The cost of implementation depends actually on 2 facts. One is, if you are implementing it, cost is less than about, for 1,200 square feet, you may need about 10 to 12,000 rupees. But if you want someone else to come and implement it, it takes about 20 to 25,000 depending on the person whom you are going to contact. If it is pots, it is cheaper, but it is boxes, it is neat, clean, and it is expensive.
Alright, sir, thank you so much. Thanks for coming on our show.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, sir.